Hey there, Internet Explorers. Have you ever wondered how the Internet actually works? It's a vast and intricate network that connects billions of devices worldwide. Imagine a giant spider web, with each strand representing a connection between computers, smartphones, and even refrigerators. This incredible network allows us to share information, communicate with each other, and access a wealth of knowledge at lightning speed. It's truly a marvel of modern technology. So, how does this global web function? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating journey of data as it travels across the internet. Now, when you send an email, watch a video, or even just browse the web, you're actually sending and receiving data. But what exactly is data? Think of it as pieces of information that are broken down into small digital packets. These packets are like little envelopes, each with a unique address label called an IP address. These packets embark on an incredible journey through a complex network of cables, routers, and servers. Their destination, the device with the matching IP address. It's like a high-tech postal service, delivering information to every corner of the globe. Remember those data packets we talked about? They are the fundamental building blocks of our digital communication. They're the real heroes of the internet. Without them, our online world would come to a standstill. Each packet contains a small chunk of information and some important instructions. These instructions are crucial for the packet's journey. These instructions include the destination IP address, the source IP address, and other essential routing information. They also specify the order in which the packet should be reassembled once it reaches its destination. Imagine you're sending a digital puzzle to your friend. Each piece of the puzzle represents a part of the data. Instead of sending the entire puzzle in one big box, you break it down into smaller pieces and put each piece in a separate envelope. This makes it easier to send and manage. Data packets work the same way. They travel independently across the network. They ensure that all the pieces of information arrive at their destination in the right order and can be put back together again, just like the puzzle pieces. Section 4, Routers and Servers, the Internet's traffic controllers. Now let's meet the traffic controllers of the Internet, routers and servers. These devices are crucial for the smooth operation of our online activities. Routers are like busy intersections, directing data packets to their correct destinations. They ensure that information flows efficiently across the network. They read the IP address on each packet and determine the most efficient route for it to take. This process happens in milliseconds, ensuring minimal delay. The servers, on the other hand, are like giant libraries that store websites, emails, and other online content. They are the backbone of the internet, holding vast amounts of data. When you type in a website address, your computer sends a request to the server where that website is stored. This request travels through the network, guided by routers. The server then sends the requested data back to your computer in the form of data packets. This seamless exchange allows you to access information quickly and efficiently. Section 5. Wired versus wireless. Two flavors of internet. Have you ever wondered about the difference between wired and wireless internet? It all comes down to how the data packets travel. Wired connections like those using Ethernet cables transmit data through physical wires. Wireless connections like Wi-Fi use radio waves to send and receive data. Think of it like this. Wired connections are like trains traveling on tracks, while wireless connections are like airplanes soaring through the air. Both get you to your destination, but they use different methods of transportation. Section 6, Internet Protocols, the rules of the road. Just like we have rules to keep traffic flowing smoothly on the road, the Internet has protocols to ensure that data travels efficiently and accurately. These protocols are essential for maintaining order and preventing chaos in the digital world. These protocols are like a set of agreed-upon instructions that all devices on the Internet must follow. Without these rules, communication between devices would be nearly impossible, leading to a breakdown in connectivity. One of the most important internet protocols is TCP/IP. which stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. This protocol suite is the foundation of Internet communication. TCP is responsible for breaking down data into packets and reassembling them at the destination. This ensures that data is transmitted reliably and in the correct order. IP provides the addressing system, ensuring that each device on the Internet has a unique identifier. This unique address allows data to be sent to the correct destination, and there you have it. A glimpse into the amazing world of the Internet. These protocols work together seamlessly to make our online experiences possible. It's a complex and ever-evolving system, but understanding the basics of how it works can help us appreciate the incredible technology that connects us all. From sending emails to streaming videos, these protocols are the unsung heroes of the digital age.